Hello everyone. In this class we are going to see packing and unpacking of tuples in Python. Let us open IDLE. Let me initiate the variables with some values. I give P is equal to 20, Q is equal to 40 and then R is equal to 60. Now if I need a tuple from these values, I shall create a tuple tup1 which is equal to, open the parenthesis indicating the tuple, so P, Q, R, and then I close this. So now the values of these variables are in the tuple, then tuple 1 becomes 20, 40, 60. So let us check. So it is a tuple. This is called packing. Unpacking is just reversed to this. Let me have another tuple, tuple 2, which is equal to, I have some names here, Henry, Abdul, Surya, 500, 600, 400. So if I want to unpack this, I must be giving the variables which are equal to the length of this tuple. So in this tuple, 6 elements are there, that means the length is 6. So I will be giving 6 variables, bifurcating each with comma. For example, I give A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, which is equal to TUP2. Otherwise, we can also directly give the tuple. Here I have the tuple, so I give the name of the tuple there, and then now each value is assigned to the variables. A1 will have Henry, A2 will have Abdul, a similar way up to A6. Let us check now what is A6. It's supposed to be 400. Now A3 is Surya. However, the tuple remains as the tuple, there is no change in it. If we need names as one single variable and the values are in different variables, I shall give star. For example, I give name only, name, and then the remaining 500, 600, 400 with other variables A1, A2, A3, then equal to TUP2. So now Henry, Abdul, Surya, those together becomes a list. Remaining A1 is 500, A2 is 600, A3 is 400. Let us check this. So now name is a list having the names. Now A2 if we check, it will be 600. In case we need the values in one list, names are in different variables, we shall also do that. I give n1, n2, n3, and then here star v I give, which is equal to TUP2. Now if I ask n1, it is Henry. V is a list with values. We cannot apply the star to many variables, only one it is possible. What if we give a middle element with the star? Let us check. I have here A1, star and A2, then A3, which is equal to TUP2. Now A1 will be having Henry, A2 will be Abdul, Surya, 500 and 600. Let us check. Now the A3 is 400. In case we give star for two variables, it will give you the error. Let us check. A1 star A star D is equal to TUP2. Here it shows error as multiple starred expression in assignment. Let me summarize. Hope it is very clear to you. Keep watching my channel, keep learning and keep sharing too. Thank you.